Here's how you can make a birthday video on the iPhone. Let me show you the best options which you have available. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you have more options. Obviously the simplest one would be to just open up the camera, switch to the video mode, and just record yourself with wishing them a happy birthday. That would work. That's fine. Whatever. If you want to be more professional with it, you can also explore some apps like Canva, which is freely available on the App Store. You can look up the templates, and in there, you're going to type in the birthday video into the templates, and you can see so many options are available. Like you can literally just see that there are like these templates where you can switch or replace the images, replace the text with the name of the person you want to wish it to, right? And you can just set it up, use the features available in here, and come up with your own custom, like nicely edited birthday video, which you can just send over to them. Some of the features in here in this app might be paid, some of them are free, so you kind of have to like pay attention to it, but it's a very useful app if you ask me. And one more thing which I also want to mention is that there are like other dedicated services for it. So if you look up the Safari search, and into the search you can type in the Happy B-Day Friend. So that's the thing, like a website you can look up, and this service is like designed to come up with the couple of friends like get together, they recorded their own wishes, and you kind of like set it up as a group. You put it all together and you come up with a nice birthday wish for someone, through a dedicated software which gets the job done for you. So you can see plenty of ways of how you can set it up. Let me know which option you decided to go with. For now, that's going to be about it from me. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.